Another video from Simple Networking. In this video, we are going to see how to move the taskbar top, left, right, bottom in Windows, and the other item is like automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode. So two is we are going to see. So options are very simple. Go to taskbar, right click taskbar settings. So once you click this one, scroll down, go to taskbar location on the screen. So just click, so we will get four options: left, top, right, bottom. So according to our wish we can keep the taskbar as we like. So I'm just keeping a right side, so the taskbar will be displayed in the right side. So second item is like, go to automatically hide the taskbar in the desktop mode. If you turn on, so what happen, the taskbar will be hidden automatically. Okay, so if you don't want to keep the taskbar in desktop, okay, so we can keep this option. So whenever we need to use the taskbar, just scroll the cursor to the taskbar, so we will get that option and we can open the document or whatever we want. So once we back to the screen, the taskbar will be hidden automatically. So I hope this video will help you to understand how to move these two items. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.